Hi there, welcome back. Today we'll talk about something super exciting, well, as exciting as SAP can get. In this short video, I'll explain what a package is in SAP, why it's important, and how to understand all those fields and tabs you see when creating or editing a package in transaction SE80 or SE21. If you're learning SAP ABAP or preparing your first project, this is for you. Oh, one more important things. What is a transaction code? In simple terms, think of it like a direct shortcut or a command. SAP has thousands of different screens, programs, and functions. Instead of clicking through 10 different menu levels to find the exact screen you need, you can just type a short, easy to remember code into the command field, like this, for example. That's in the top left your SAP screen. Press enter and it takes you straight there. It's a lot like using a specific URL to go directly to a web page instead of clicking through the home page, or if you're used to a terminal, it's like typing a command like cd my folder to go directly to the directory. It's the fast and professional way to navigate in SAP. What is a package? What is a package? A package in SAP, it's like a folder or project container. It holds your tables, programs, classes, and other development objects. Package help organize your work, control access, and manage transport to other system. For example, if you're working on a delivery app, you might create a package called Z Delivery App and put all your custom code inside it. Okay, here is our package. Z Demand Forecast App. First, the name. Z Demand Forecast App. You'll notice that it starts with that. We need to create our package and other custom things starting with Z or Y or Y because of how SAP handles namespacing and has restriction for custom objects. This Z or Y tells SAP, hey, this is something a customer or developer built, not standard SAP stuff. This way, you generally avoid the system asking for special access key. Now, you might have seen or heard that, of course, we can do it another way and create things with a personal company prefix. Yeah, it could be. In this place, we can put company code, but that's a more advanced topic, really a different story for perhaps another video. For today and for most of your own custom development, when you're starting out, Z or Y is definitely your best friend. Short description, this human readable name for your project. Application component, it's like a tag that shows which sub area this belongs to. You can leave it empty in dev system. Transport layer, this defines how your object move between system. It's like a predefined route in SAP that tells the system this package and its content should be transferred from the development system like the one to the test system like T1. For example, if we put here that here 1, I mean 1, our system understands that that should be transferred from the 1 dev system to T1 test system. That's all what we could say about transport layer for now. This attribute tell our system where our code will be transferred from. For example, it's like a commit from dev to test branch. Software component in SAP, it's a logical box where SAP or custom code lives. You can think of it like a shipping container for all related objects. For example, tables, programs, classes, etc. that belongs to the same product or solution. Just leave it home unless you work on SAP standard components. Next, what we see here, super package. Super package show if this package is a part of bigger one. Record object changes in transport request. Always keep this checked so your changes are saved and movable. What about the tabs that we can see above? Use access. This shows which provider package your package depends on. For example, we can say that it's import or dependency. In other words, it lists what your package uses from other package, for not the other way around. You can see also SAP help portal, creating use access or creating package interface. In several cases, it help you. For example, package interface defines what objects in your package are visible for other package to use. It's like your exports. Only what you put into an interface can be accessed by others. You can also, as I said before, you can always look in the help portal, refer to the documentation, ask the chat GPT, or simply use the internet search, whatever you want. Subpackage. Subpackage shows a child package inside this one. Great for the large projects, but not for now. Package hierarchy, full free of how your package are organized. You don't need all of them at the beginning. Focus on the structure and transport first. No need to panic. You're not building the Death Star. Just keep everything clean and simple for now. And a package is your dev folder. It helps organize and move your work. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.